I got some. I got some in my mouth already. You eat it.
He's gonna feed you anyway.
Okay. Can you rip it for you?
Not so much, bud.
So yeah, buddy.
He's feeding his chicken some chicken. Don't like that?
Yeah, let him take a nap. He's getting tired.
Is he tired? Oh, you're such a good daddy. Put him to bed. Oh, night night, chicken.